Suppose if you are using this Microsoft Visio, okay, if you are in a page and if you want to select a rectangle from here, and if I want to go full screen, this page, if I want to go to full screen view, I simply press this F5 key. This is the shortcut F5. So if you press the F5 key, if you press like this, and you can see that it moves to a full screen. And if you want to change back from this full screen mode, you must simply press this ESC button, and then you can see that so if you want to make this a full screen, then you must simply press this F5 key of the video. For more, subscribe.